So you might have clicked on this video to know the truth. Is Roblox AI really good? And unfortunately the answer to that is maybe.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Now if you guys don't believe me, take a look at this.
If you go on Twitter right now and you just search up AI Roblox, tons and tons of posts about Roblox basically becoming AI will pop up. And to be fair, some of these are pretty impressive, but as pointed out by Jailbreak's creators, some of these look absolutely terrible. This is supposed to be some sort of like AI artwork from Jailbreak that he was just trying out. And it was a quote to this, which is somewhat impressive according to this guy. And it came up with this.
So, after watching that video, we know one thing. This will cancel developers in time. Knowing that a computer can take your job of making icons is outrageous. And the worst part is that we can't stop it. And if you guys think that this is bad, we've only hit the surface. Because what I'm about to show you next is shocking.
Oh, and this guy did it with the same sort of icon, but somehow it looks worse. And now if you go onto the Roblox website, go to Discover, there's gonna be plenty of games that are already using AI artwork. I'm just gonna like scroll through. This is definitely AI. Yeah, that is also AI generated. Is there a thumbnail for this game? Oh, it's all AI generated. I don't know who made this, but you can tell it's AI generated sort of by like the shading on everything.
So after watching that video, we can clearly see that AI is going to become a huge problem. And now I'll tell you guys what I think will end up happening to Roblox developers. And I think that we will 100% be replaced. The reason I think we'll be replaced is because there wouldn't be any need for us. But you know what everyone is thinking right now.
We do not care.
I mean, you guys need to understand. This is going to take away a lot of development jobs. And before you guys say,
"Dude, AI is helping us do jobs," it's literally fine.
Then I think you're onto something. But let's get another opinion on this. For those who don't know, he's no stranger to this channel. Let's welcome the one and the only, in English. Now let's get into what he has to say. He started by saying, "Honestly, I think that AI taking over jobs of developers isn't going to happen." Followed by, he thinks it's more of a helping hand that you can use. He also stated that more people would use it, since it's free, which is true.
Few moments later.
To summarize, he talked about never using AI for development, but he knows that they have good results. Going on by saying he thinks it saves time, and lots of games are already using it. He also said it can take the jobs of people in that field.
An eternity later.
Also saying that you can tell a computer made it, and that single developers can use it if they need it. But he did say that he thinks it's kind of cheap and unfair, which is true. He then pointed out that the person that made the game gets the benefits, and that this can make users get cash off of Roblox. Now personally, you all know I'm against this, but it seems in English has different ways to seeing it. Now let's finish reading what he has to say. He then says, "Beside making game icons, you can use it to code, but for more complex work you can do it by yourself." Following was saying when he was coding he made a list of ideas, but then came to a halt, and artificial intelligence gave him suggestions. Finally, he said that the ideas that he got were good, and you can use it to help you with a lot of things. He ended by saying that you should take advantage of it, and it's not good enough to replace people, and that it may take everyone's job in the next few years. Honestly, I do agree with in English for the time being. It's useful, but the real question is, how good will it really get? Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, consider hitting that like button. And thanks to in English for being in this video. And always remember to keep on gaming. Peace.